In the last video I showed you how to get into the configuration mode of a router. So the three modes that we are concerned with is the first mode that you'll see, which is user exec mode. In order to take the next level up and get access to some more commands, we hop into privilege exec mode, and in order to make any changes within the router we must be in configure mode or configuration modes. So just to highlight what we've covered, I'll just hit Control C and take myself back to the original prompt, and I'll exit out of the router, hit enter again, and we have user mode. We put in EN, hit enter, and I'm in enable mode, and I type in config T or conf T. I'm in configuration mode. One of the most important things we need to do with a router is to give it a unique name. If I have 20 routers on a network, all with the same name, I'm going to make a mistake. It's inevitable. So I will show you a command in order to change the name of the router. I'll just hit the question mark, and if you have a look down the list here, you'll see a word here called host name, and it sets the system's network name. I'll just hit the space bar again, that'll take me to the end of these commands. So I'm going to type in the word host, and because this is predictive text, I'm going to try and hit the tab key and see if it writes the rest of the word. I've hit the tab key. Not only does it give me the rest of the word host name, it's given me a space. Hit the question mark, and it says word. What is the name of this thing? I'm going to call this particular router Paris. And there you are. And if you have a look at the prompt, you'll see that it now says Paris. And that's how you change the host name on a particular router. I'll do this once more, and this time I will call it London. Now if you remember from the previous video, to get the same command back that we used last time, I can use the up arrow on the keyboard. And there I have. I've pulled it up. It says Paris. I'm going to edit this to London, and now I've changed the name of the router to London. Control C takes me back to the original prompt, and exit takes me out of the router, and there you have it, London in user exec mode.